Hi everyone, welcome to Not a Financial Advisor. If you love diving into stock market trend analysis and industries like I do, you're in the right place. Today we'll be exploring 9 companies from different sectors like energy, infrastructure and finance. These are stocks that I'm keeping an eye on in 2025. But remember, this isn't financial advice, it's just an analysis for education purposes. Always do your own research, so let's jump in.
Not a financial advisor, just a friendly guide. Spinning tales of fortune with a hopeful stride. Crunching numbers, teasing gold, riding waves so bold. Just remember, friend, this advice is not sold.
Segment 1 is Jindal Saw. This is the first on my list. It's a leader in manufacturing iron and steel pipes. The products are used in water supplies, oil and gas pipelines, making them critical to infrastructure development and in India globally. Key point is with the government pushing the infrastructure projects under national infrastructure pipeline, companies like Jindal Saw could benefit. Financial note, their revenue has been growing steadily and they maintain a strong order book. Why do I like this company? It's a part of a sector that thrives on long-term growth, trends like urbanization and industrialization. The second company is HUDCO, which plays a key role in financing affordable housing and urban infrastructure projects. Why it's interesting? The government is focusing on affordable housing under schemes like Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, position HUDCO as a very crucial player. Risk to consider, being a PSU, performance can be linked to government policies, which means both opportunities and challenges. The third segment is Oil India. Moving to energy, Oil India Ltd is one of the country's largest upstream oil and gas company. With global energy prices fluctuating, companies like Oil India could see increased margins in higher price environment. Why I like it? As India aims for energy security, domestic producers might get a boost. Something to watch, volatility in crude oil prices can impact the profitability. The next company is KPI Energy. So the renewable are the future and KPI Green Energy is making stride in solar power projects. They are involved in both the power generation and the development of solar farms. What's exciting is India's renewable energy goals under the National Solar Mission means companies like KPI Energy could benefit from government incentives and increased demand for clear energy. This company taps into mega trends that's likely to grow over decades. The next segment is Voltas Transformers, a niche player in the power sector. They manufacture transformers essential for industrial, commercial and residential power distribution. Key driver is India's growing energy demand, coupled with grid modernization, makes their product indispensable. Potential risk is competition and raw material costs. Volatility can be challenging. Segment 6 is Power Finance Corporation. PFC is government-backed financial institution providing funding to power projects across the country. What I like is with the focus on renewable energies and grid expansion, PFC is aligned with India's energy aspiration. Finance's trend, their consistent profitability and high dividend yield makes them appealing to long-term investors. Segment 7 is NCC Ltd. NCC is a leading player in the construction and infrastructure development space, from roads and buildings to irrigation and railway. They're involved in everything. Why watch it? The government's capital expenditure plans for infrastructure projects could lead to significant opportunities for NCC. Risk factors, like most infrastructure companies, they are financially sensitive to project delays and cost overruns. The next company is Gravita India. They are a recycling revolution. Gravita India focuses on recycling, especially lead and aluminium, as a circular economy gains importance. Companies like Gravita are craving a niche. Why it's unique? They benefit from the global push towards sustainability and stricter recycling norms. Financial health, this strong revenue, growth and expansion into newer recycling segments make this an interesting company to watch. The next segment is Anant Raj Ltd. This is in real estate development, focusing on commercial and residential projects, especially in the North India. What's promising is with the real estate sector rebounding post COVID and interest rates stabilizing, companies like Anant Raj are seeing renewed demand. Something to keep in mind is the sector is cyclical, so it's essential to monitor macroeconomic factors like interest rate. And there you have 9 companies to diverse sectors that are worth keeping an eye on in 2025. Remember, these aren't recommendations. My goal is to share insights and spark your interest in understanding the market better. If you enjoy this breakdown, hit the like button and subscribe to Not a Financial Advisor. And let me know in the comment which companies you're most curious about. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed. Thank you. This is Shalom Tale signing off.